Welcome back on this Monday morning. So later on today, we will have winter storm warnings go into effect for northern Houghton as well as Keweenaw counties. Those will go into effect at 6 p.m. today until tomorrow at 6 a.m. We're expecting lake effect snow to ramp up there with more moderate intensities throughout that time stretch that those alerts will be in effect for. In the meantime, until then, we do have winter weather advisories in effect for Ontonagon, southern Houghton, Baraga, Alger, and northern Schoolcraft counties for today, extending into this evening as lake effect snow will gradually increase. Then we have this little clipper system that's coming in out of Canada and dives south and southeast of the UP between this evening through tomorrow morning, and that's what's going to help the lake effect snow increase towards the Keweenaw for the overnight hours. Here it is right now, though. So some lake effect snow ongoing southern Houghton County, Baraga County. If you're traveling US 140, US 41, it's a little bit slippery there. Also, intensities have increased just a little bit over portions of northern Schoolcraft County as well as Alger County and right along Lake Superior there. So here's what it looks like outside over at Elm River Township. You can see some slippery surfaces out there with some snow cover along a lot of our grassy surfaces there at this moment. So keep in mind, as we've been talking about, slick spots. We're definitely used to this, but it's the first one of the season, and those kind of take a little time to kind of adjust to those types of conditions. So definitely need the snow brush between today and tomorrow, and in some places snow shovel as well. Let's time it out here for you. Here we go as we head towards 9 a.m. We'll see the snow increase near Lake Superior in the east and across the west end of the UP at that point in time. By 6:30, still ongoing across the eastern half, and here we go as it ramps up. We have this band of lake effect snow with some more stronger intensities rolling through right over northern Houghton as well as Keweenaw County through this evening, extending through tonight. By tomorrow morning, here's how it looks. 8:30 in the morning, big swath of light snow through parts of Wisconsin. And then we have another round of light snow that goes and increases around midday tomorrow for our northern areas. And as it travels south, it starts to gradually fall apart tomorrow afternoon. So more scattered snow showers around for primetime trick-or-treating hours tomorrow for Halloween between 5 and 7 p.m. We're done with it by tomorrow evening. A few snowflakes on Wednesday morning, and that's it. 3 to 6 inches of snow generally on the west end of the UP and the east end along those west and northwest wind belts. The higher elevations over towards the Keweenaw could exceed some 6 inches of snow, again, isolated about. With that being said, as we get going and start to kind of get used to those types of wintry conditions, make sure that you're increasing your following distance from other vehicles. Make sure you're also driving for the conditions. Lower 30s in the west today, mid 30s in the central and east, with our overnight lows into the 20s tonight. Staying into the 30s for high temperatures for Halloween and Wednesday.